This is indirect, direct evaporative air cooling unit. Here are the pre-filters. Then we have this indirect cooling chamber. We have this scavenger fan that will take the air out through the polymer heat exchanger. We have these control boxes for the indirect, direct pump and the light box. Then we have this maintenance door. So in this we have the pad and the polymer heat exchanger. Then we have this light box. This is the blower section. 2-band PVC eliminator, limit switch, marine light. I3 energy efficient motor. From here we will get the cooled supply air with the 110% saturation efficiency. Here we have the cooling pads, 200 mm deep. This is the polymer heat exchanger. Marine light and limit switch for safety.